How do I loop through a list by twos? I want to loop through a Python list and process 2 list items at a time. Something like this in another language. What's the best way to accomplish this?
You can use a range with a step size of 2. Python 2. Python 3. Note, use your engine Python 2 instead of range because it is more efficient as it generates an iterable object, and not the whole list.
You can also use this syntax, else start column step. Where the first digit is the starting index, defaults to beginning of list or 0, second is ending slice index, defaults to end of list, and the third digit is the offset or step.
The simplest in my opinion is just this. No extra imports or anything. And very elegant, in my opinion.
If you're using Python 2.6 or newer, you can use the grouper recipe from the itertools module. Call like this. Note that in Python 3.x you should use zip_longest instead of izip_longest.